Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking essentials: battery, network, and account access. Open Settings now, then go to Accessibility or Voice Control depending on your device model. Once there, grant microphone permission so the system can listen. Make sure to allow any background listening toggles. You'll also sign into your account and enable Cloud Sync if prompted. This helps voice profiles train and transfer. Start the feature toggle and listen for the spoken confirmation tone before moving on to configuration. Once done, configure the wake word or hotkey and select your language and accent so recognition improves. You should adjust microphone sensitivity next. Decrease it if you get false triggers, increase it if words are missed. Make use of background noise filters and proximity settings to reduce interference. Next, add, edit, or import command shortcuts. Link them to apps or routines. Test 5 common phrases allowed now to verify pronunciation handling, and note any misrecognitions for adjustment. You finish by completing the voice training or enrollment session so the system adapts to your speech. Make sure all target apps have permission to use voice commands, and then restart the device to apply settings cleanly. Try a full routine or multi-step command to confirm end-to-end operation. If recognition fails repeatedly, reset the voice model or clear the app cache and re-enroll. This often removes corrupted profiles. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot and rerun training before doing deeper reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.